Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn how to execute first program in C++ and what are the software requirements and all those things we will discuss in this video. So first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome and click the source force.net/project/MinGW/. So I will provide this link in the below of the class, like below you can find this source link. You can access that link and you can get into this website in the Google Chrome. So after accessing this link, you can see here the download button, MinGW minimalist GNU for Windows, and click on download this thing. So your download will start shortly. So here, see, it's downloaded. Open it. Now we can see the MinGW version. Let's install it and click on continue. And I have installed this MinGW. For you people, I'm reinstalling again. So I have installed this thing earlier, but I am reinstalling this again. Reinstall. So I'm reinstalling again. So it will say some time. It will download and set up the MinGW installation manager. It's a download process. You see all this MinGW's 32 MC exports. So runtime, all these things will be installed. Just wait until it installs. So you can see all these things and you can see the details. And if you want to see license, you can see the license and click on continue here. And you have to so you have to install all these packages. So I have installed all these packages, so that's why it's not coming. So when you click on this, you will see mark for installation. You have to click on this and you have to click on these things. You have to click on this and mark for installation. And you can click on this and you have to click on the mark for installation. And you have to click on it and you have to click on the mark for installation. So all these things will be checked out, and after that you have to click on this. And so all this after all these things you have to click on this and you'll be having apply changes here. If you don't install this and click on apply changes, and all these things will be installed. I hope you understand. So I have already installed all these packages, so that's why it's not coming. So for a fresh member, if you start to install MinGW, you will get all these things. You can check all these things. You can click on it and mark for installation. And after that, you have to click on apply changes. Then all these packages will be installed. I hope you understand. And all these things installed. And after that, you have to click on close. You will get some pop-up here, and all the package will installed. After installing all the packages, it will ask to close the window, so you have to close it. That's it. So now I will close it. So the installation is completed for MinGW, and you have to install the code blocks. You have to install code blocks and click on code blocks, and you can see you can go to the downloads. You can go to the downloads and click on binary release. Click on binary release. You can download the source code /. So you'll get the all these things. So see here, after clicking on that, you will be having a Windows XP 7, 8, etc. You can click on it and then click on download button. Your download will start shortly. The download will start with the download will start. See here, it's downloading here. So as I am installed the code blocks, so that's why I'm canceling it. I'm canceling it. So I'll go to the code blocks. So we have installed MinGW installer and code blocks, and click on close, open. And this is the code blocks. This is the code blocks. So we have installed MinW, right? We have installed MinW. Why we have installed? Because you will get an error if you don't install it. If you will get an error if you don't install it. So you have to first go to the settings, and even you have to go to the compiler, and you have to go to the tool chain executable. And here you have to click on auto detect, and auto detect installation for GN compiler is like you have to get all this, you have to get this pop-up, then only it's working, or otherwise it's not working. So to get this auto detect, we have to install the MinGW. MinGW. And click on OK. If you don't install MinGW, then you will get an error. You will get an error. So now this is the code block. You can create an empty text file, and here you can write the first program. Hash include input output stream, input output stream, and so you have to write some. You have to write using namespace as std, and you have to write int main function, open it. So here you can write cout space I am, and after that you can write return 0. You can return 0. So to run this, you have to save file PC downloads C++ programs, and the file name is man.cpp. So every file of C++, you have to save with the extension cpp.cpp and save it. So then now it is a CPP program. Then you can click on settings. Here build, you have the build option, right? You can click on it, and there is no address. So now you can go to the build and run. See, we got the output. I am Iron Man. I am Iron Man. So this is the way we can write C++ program in code build text editor. So if you find that this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video, and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. And before that, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it, friends. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.